Your toilet could be wasting hundreds of gallons of water every day. And the surprising part is, you may not hear anything. You may not see water on the floor, you may not notice any obvious warning signs, yet your water bill keeps creeping higher every month. Many homeowners only discover the problem after receiving an unusually high water bill. And that's because most toilet leaks happen inside the toilet itself, where they are almost impossible to notice at a glance. So in this video, I'll show you the most common hidden toilet leaks, how to test for each one, and simple fixes you can try before they waste even more water and money. 1. A leaking flapper. This is the most common cause of a silent toilet leak. The rubber flapper at the bottom of the tank is designed to hold water inside the tank. Over time, the rubber can become stiff, warped, cracked, or worn out. When that happens, water slowly leaks from the tank into the bowl. There's no water on the floor, no loud noise, but water is being wasted continuously. Here are the signs. The toilet occasionally refills by itself. You hear faint running water sounds. The water in the bowl appears slightly disturbed or ripple. So, how to test it? Remove the tank lid, add a few drops of food coloring to the tank water, do not flush, wait about 15 minutes. If color appears in the toilet bowl, the flapper is leaking. So, how to fix it? Turn off the water supply valve, flush the toilet to empty the tank. Remove the old flapper. Install a new flapper that matches your toilet model. Turn the water back on and test again. In many cases, replacing the flapper completely solves the problem. 2. Water is flowing into the overflow tube. This is a problem many homeowners overlook. The water level inside the tank may be set too high, and as a result, water continuously spills into the overflow tube. The fill valve keeps adding more water to replace it, and this cycle can continue all day and all night. Here are the signs. The toilet refills frequently on its own. You constantly hear a light trickling water sounds. Your water bill suddenly increases. So, how to check it? Remove the tank lid. Look at the overflow tube in the center of the tank. If water is flowing into the tube, you found a problem. So, how to fix it? Adjust the fill valve. Lower the water level so it sits about 1 inch below the top of the overflow tube. Wait a few minutes. If water stops flowing into the tube, the problem is fixed. 3. A worn out fill valve. Many homeowners replace the flapper and still notice the toilet running occasionally. In that case, the fill valve is often the culprit. After years of use, mineral buildup and normal wear can prevent the valve from closing completely. Even a small amount of water leakage can waste a surprising amount of water over time. Here are the signs. The toilet refills randomly. You hear a faint hissing sound inside the tank. Water continues flowing even when the toilet hasn't been flushed. And how to check it? Watch the fill valve when the toilet is idle. If you see dripping or a small stream of water, the valve may be failing. And how to fix it? Turn off the water supply, remove the old fill valve, and install a new fill valve. Adjust the water level according to the manufacturer's instructions. 4. An improperly adjusted chain. The chain that connects the flush handle to the flapper can be either too tight or too loose. If it's too tight, the flapper may not close completely. If it's too loose, the flapper may not seat properly. Either conditions can allow water to leak from the tank into the bowl. What are the signs? The toilet continues running after a flush. The flapper doesn't sit flat on the flush valve opening. And how to fix it? Adjust the chain so it has a slight amount of slack. Flush the toilet several times, and the flapper should close completely after every flush. 5. A cracked or corroded flush valve seat. If you've already replaced the flapper and the water is still leaking into the bowl, inspect the surface where the flapper seals against the flush valve. This area creates the watertight seal inside the tank. If the surface is cracked, rough, or corroded, water can still leak past the flapper. And here are the signs. You've already installed a new flapper. The food coloring test still shows leakage. So, how to fix it? Inspect the sealing surface carefully. If the damage is minor, a repair ring may solve the problems. But if the damage is severe, replacing the entire flush valve assemblies is usually the best solutions. So, when to call a plumber? You should call a plumber if you've replaced the flapper and the leak continues, the tank is cracked, water appears around the base of the toilet, the floor feels soft, or you notice persistent odors, the toilet rocks or feels loose. These symptoms may indicate a failed wax rings or more serious damage beneath the floor that should be inspected and repaired professionally.